Are you looking for businesses Nigerians are using to make millions? In this video, I'll show you the top 10 profitable businesses making serious money in Nigeria today, from small hustles to big money earners. Let's begin. 9. Phone accessories and gadgets. Selling phone accessories like chargers, earphones, etc. is a solid small business. Small shops can make 50,000 to 200,000 Nigerian nairas per month, while bigger shops earn more. 9. Transportation and ride services. Ride-hailing and transport businesses are great side hustles. Drivers can earn 50,000 to 250,000 Nigerian nairas monthly, and transport company owners make millions yearly. 8. Food business. Restaurants, catering, street food. Food is always in demand. Small food vendors earn 50,000 to 200,000 Nigerian nairas monthly, and big catering businesses can make millions annually. 7. POS business. POS machine. POS business is one of the fastest growing businesses in Nigeria. Busy agents can make 5,000 to 20,000 Nigerian nairas per day, adding up to 150,000 to 600,000 Nigerian nairas monthly, eventually millions yearly. 6. Online selling. WhatsApp, Instagram, Jumia. Selling products online is a growing business. Depending on your niche, you can earn 100,000 Nigerian nairas to 1 million Nigerian nairas per month. 5. Beauty and fashion business. Hair, makeup, clothes, and skincare businesses are booming. Stylists and shop owners can earn 100,000 Nigerian nairas to 1 million Nigerian nairas monthly, some even more with online marketing. For digital services, design, social media, ads. Skills like graphic design, social media management, and online ads help Nigerians earn locally and internationally. Some freelancers earn $200 to $2,000 per. 3. Logistics and delivery business. With online shopping growing, delivery services are in high demand. Small delivery owners earn 50,000 to 300,000 Nigerian nairas monthly, while bigger operators can make millions per year. 2. Farming and agribusiness. Agriculture is very profitable. Poultry, fish, rice, and cassava farming can bring 100,000 Nigerian nairas to 1 million Nigerian nairas per month, depending on scale. 1. Real estate and land flipping. Buying and reselling land or houses is one of the biggest money-making businesses. People can make 500,000 Nigerian nairas to 5 million Nigerian nairas per deal, especially in growing cities. These are the top 10 businesses Nigerians are making millions with, from small hustles to huge money earners. Which one would you like to start? Comment below, like, and subscribe to A1 Profit Lab for more money tips.